Hi to everyone who's watching my channel, and this is a quick video on cord cutting for all who requested yesterday. We'll talk part by part about what it is, but the first part is what exactly is cord cutting and how do we use it. So first and foremost, what are cords? Cords are nothing but energetic tubes connecting you with each and everyone with whom you are energetically connected. It could be a family, close friends, your present or past lovers, children, anyone and everyone who has been in close connection with you. How are cords formed? When you think about someone, cords are formed. When you interact with someone physically, cords are formed. When you sit in close vicinity with them, cords are formed. And it keeps happening almost on autopilot basis. Every time you think or interact, cords are getting formed. So let us take you into a meditation to help you cut all unhealthy cords. When these cords are removed, your energy field is naturally clear, and that can help you raise your vibrations to a higher level. And although there are many different ways to cut cords, the easiest and my personal favorite way of cutting cords is with Archangel Michael. Also remember that when you are cutting cords with someone, you are not rejecting or abandoning or divorcing or separating from the person. You are just removing any unhealthy connection with that person. Most of the times after a cord cutting session, clients have experienced improved relationships with the person because all the unhealthy attachments or the codependencies between them and the concerned persons were naturally removed. So to cut down your cords, all you have to do is just sit in a position where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, breathing in deeply and breathing out. And as you do that, call upon or invoke or connect to the presence of your higher self. You can simply say, I now ask my higher self to be here. You could also connect or invoke the presence of your spiritual guides, angels, archangels, any ascended masters you believe in, and any form of God you believe in. And then imagine the person concerned with whom you have unhealthy attachments or you feel have unhealthy cords. Could be a colleague at work, could be a client who has been really causing any problem with you, or it could be a situation which is causing anxiety, or any person who is making you feel angry, upset, victimized, any situation which is making you feel fearful. For example, if you watched news and you felt triggered, or if you felt fearful by watching news or listening to something, you can even think of that situation right in front of you. Or you could also imagine the person sitting in front of you. And then you can simply say, Dear Archangel Michael, please be here. I call upon you now. And imagine this beautiful being, Archangel Michael, standing right in front of you. There are no right or wrong things to visualize. Whatever you visualize can be your truth. So don't go into the rightness or the wrongness of it. And then you can simply say, Dear Archangel Michael, please cut the cords of fear, or please cut the cords of anger, or please cut the cords of anxiety that are draining my energy and vitality. This or better, thank you. And as you say that, take a deep breath and exhale deeply. And as you exhale deeply, imagine with the exhale, Archangel Michael is cutting cords between you and that toxic, unhealthy, fearful, codependent situation or person. You will also probably feel cords being cut or pulled out of your body. You may sense air pressure changes or any other tangible signs that the cord cutting is happening. Also, as you are doing this, you are not just healing yourself, you are also healing the other person who is sitting in front of you, even without their knowing. You might also get a couple of days down the line, the person concerned might even send you a text saying, "Hey, I just thought of you." Or if it is a situation which is causing you anxiety or panic, the situation will no longer trouble you. Now imagine yourself and the person, both of you, being filled in with white light and golden light, thus healing away anything that doesn't keep you connected well, and instead of the codependent relationship between you and the person, there is now only love and peace. You may also feel you sweat a little bit after this session or feel a little thirsty. Ground yourself by drinking some water and ground yourself by touching your feet to the ground. You can do this activity as many times as possible. There is no restriction on when and how you can do it. You can even do it when you are sleeping, or you can do it any time of the day. If there are any women who are going through their monthly cycle, it is still safe to do this cord cutting. There is nothing which will act as a barrier, or there are no rules that you can't do at this time or that time, because eventually these are all spiritual practices and you can do at any point of time. Take a deep breath and exhale. You can thank your spiritual team, Archangel Michael, all the spiritual guides. You can also send mentally love and light to the person involved with whom you have cords, or the situation with whom you had connected cords. If you like this meditation, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. After listening to this audio, you can drink some water and rest well. If you like this video and if this meditation made sense to you and if it helped you at any level, please drop a comment below in my video. This is Ashwini Chube, your spiritual teacher, and I hope this video on cord cutting helps you remove any energetic cords from your system, thus making you raise your vibrations very high. Thank you, and to know more on my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com.